Trustero AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market recently. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? In this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about Trustero AI. Everything from its core features to how it compares to other options, so stick around until the end because I'll reveal how you can try it completely free. Now, if you're looking for something that can handle a variety of tasks with ease, Trustero AI stands out with its versatility. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or customer support, Trustero is built to streamline operations and save you time. It doesn't just stop at generating content or managing customer queries. Trustero integrates seamlessly into your existing tools, making it incredibly easy to scale without the typical headache of manual workflows. One of the most talked about features of Trustero AI is its ability to automate tasks across different platforms. For example, it can quickly generate personalized emails, social media posts, or even long-form content based on just a few prompts. It's like having a team of AI assistants that can handle everything from copywriting to client management, all while improving over time as it learns from your preferences. But it's not just about generating content. Trustero AI excels in predictive analytics. This allows you to make data-driven decisions, optimizing your marketing strategies in real time. If you're managing paid ads, Trustero will analyze your campaigns, offering insights on what works best and how you can tweak your approach for maximum return on investment. This level of automation and data analysis puts it in a class of its own compared to other AI tools that only focus on content generation. If you're concerned about integration, don't be. Trustero works with major platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and CRM systems, which means you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. You can easily sync your existing workflows, which is a huge advantage for businesses that are already deeply embedded in certain software ecosystems. Another reason Trustero AI is gaining traction fast is because of its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate the system, which is a refreshing change compared to many AI tools that can feel intimidating at first. Trustero makes sure that even beginners can get started right away without being overwhelmed by complex features. However, no software is perfect, and there are a few downsides worth mentioning. While Trustero AI is packed with features, its learning curve may still pose a challenge to users who are completely new to AI tools, and while the free version offers a lot of value, you'll need to consider upgrading for access to premium features if you're looking for advanced automation or analytics. But here's the kicker. Trustero AI offers a free trial, which means you can test it for yourself and see if it fits your needs. If you want to explore more of its potential, you can easily upgrade for full access to all the features. I've linked that free trial below, so be sure to check it out if you want to experience Trustero firsthand. So, is Trustero AI worth it? In my opinion, it absolutely is, especially for businesses looking to scale and automate processes. It's a strong contender in the crowded AI space, offering a well-rounded set of features with a focus on usability. After trying thousands of AI software tools, I can confidently recommend it. Finally, in the description below, you'll find a list of my recommended AI software options that I've personally tested. You can try these out for free, saving you time and money while streamlining your operations.